So I didn't completely remove the underneath bolt yet. I just loosened it, the 17. And as I said, there's a 17 right here. That is the other end of the self-tightening nut right here. Now that I've loosened them all, I just continue loosening with a 13 and an extension this self-tightening nut. Once you keep doing that, the belt will just hopefully fall off or come off easily. Okay, so I loosened it up and the belt slid right off. And then, unlike the power steering belt, you have to get it around the fan. Once you do that, get that belt off, bolt the belt off. It's dual belts, so for this alternator. I don't know, ask Mercedes why, but I guess if you lose one belt, you still got one other one on there. So, next, we're going to free the alternator. Okay, so after everything was loosened and the belts off, I took the bottom one off first, and then I removed the back nut off that bolt, and then I'm going to probably remove this, and it should come off. And there's the bottom one, washer there, and there's the other bottom one on the other side. This is the bottom one. Right, so this last one actually doesn't come out. You just loosen it totally and it's going to stay set in there, and this will eventually fall down, and then you pull it up like that. There you go. There's that bolt. There it is, and then you just kind of get it out, push it out from here or here, and it'll come out. Alternator will drop. Okay, so the alternator came out. So this is still here, that little piece. There's the other part of the bolt. Now the only problem is, this is the dead alternator. The new one is not going to have a double pulley. So we got to get the pulley off. And that is not going to be easy or fun, and so much for my gloves. Maybe I stick a screwdriver in here to stop it, and then I don't know what, maybe this is a 19 millimeter, maybe, who knows. That would be if I had one of those, you know, like one of those real air guns or something. Okay, so what it looks like is a 24. 19, yeah, I was a little off there. So it's a 24. Luckily I have a 24 because I always change the fuel filter right here. So it might even be 23. So I put a screwdriver in there to hold it. 24 here, and a lot of strength. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try.